šitas, aš sakiau mano draugui, mes prieisim, pašnekėsim, važiuosim, gal kažką mes gal. Draugas yra konsultingą daro daug.
If I touch it too much, the alarm goes on. This is the very idea of this. But in normal situation, you use your smartphone to unlock and block.
It's emergency.
As soon as you have locked it,
Right?
it's already on protection. If you touch it, it lets you know someone, that person, that come on, it's protected. If he keeps touching, the alarm goes on. You've just heard it, it's 110 decibels. And at the same moment, the signal goes to your smartphone, the notification letting you know that something bad is happening. So you run to save your property, and at the same time you get the coordinates, the GPS coordinates to track it.
Oh, okay.
So even if somebody succeeded and took away your bicycle in minivan or in a truck, you can track him, find on the map, and knock on his door with police in half an hour.